Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Venerable Judge and happy audience. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How are you today? Thank you for having me here. Let me introduce myself to you. My name is Nadia Afrilia. I'm from MTS Negeri 3 Kebumen. In this beautiful moment, I'm going to tell you a story. The title of the story is The Legend of Timun Mas. Do you want to hear the story? Okay, let me tell you the story, and I hope you will enjoy my story. Long time ago, in a peaceful village on the island of Java, there lived a no widow named Bosami. She had every day, yet her heart was heavy with loneliness because she had no children. One night, as she sat under the star, she clasped her hands and prayed, "Oh dear God, if only I had a child to love cared for. I would give anything for a little one to call my own." She whispered with tears in her eyes. The next morning, as the sun rose over the hills, a loud, thunderous voice started here. "Ha ha ha! Bosami, I have heard your prayers." Bosami turned around and saw a terrifying giant named Buddha standing in her yard, his massive front over his small house. Who are you?" Bosami simmered, trembling with fear. "Ha ha ha! I am Buddha. I can grant your wish. I will give you a child. But you must promise me something in return. When the child turns 17, you must give it back to me." But Sunny hesitated, longing for a child was so great that she agreed. Okay, I promise. Please, give me a child," she sighed. Buddha handed her a small golden cucumber seed. "Plant this seed, and you shall have a child. Remember your promise, Bosami." Bosami planted the seed in her garden. Within days, a massive golden cucumber seed grew, growing in the sunlight. Carefully, she cut it open, and to her amazement, inside lay a beautiful baby girl. "Oh, my precious child, I will call you Timun Mas, my golden desire." She sighed, holding the baby close, and sang a song happily. "You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. Please don't take my sunshine away." Timun Mas grew up to be a kind, hardworking, and brave young girl. She brought joy and warmth to her mother life. But as her 7th birthday approached, Bosani became increasingly worried. One night, Timun Mas noticed her mother crying. "Mother, why are you sad? What's wrong?" she asked gently. Bosani sighed deeply and decided to tell her daughter the truth. "My dear child, years ago, I made a promise to Buddha. He gave me the seed that brought you into this world. But he said that I must return when you turn 17. Tomorrow, he will comfort you." She sighed, tears streaming down her face. "Don't worry, mother. We will fight to escape this. I will not let the giant take me," she sighed firmly. The next morning, Buddha arrived. His booming voice shaking the ground. "Ha ha ha! Bosami, bring me Timun Mas as your promise," he roared. Bosami stepped off the horse trembling. "Please, Buddha, give us more time. She is still a child," she pleaded. The giant groaned in anger. "I have waited long enough. If you don't bring to me by sundown, I will destroy this entire village," he bellowed before stumbling away. In desperation, Bosani gave Timun Mas a bundle containing four magical items: cucumber seed, needle, salt, and chimpas. "Take this, my daughter. Use them to protect yourself. Run as fast as you can, don't look back." Timun Mas hated her mother tightly. "I will return, mother, but for my safety," she sighed, then ran into the forest. As the sun began to set, Buddha returned to the house. Where is Timun Mas? He roared, realizing he was gone. You cannot escape me, Timur Mas, he shouted. Hearing his face growing closer, Timur Mas threw the cucumber seed behind her. Let it show you down, she cried. The seed instantly grew into a sprawling cucumber field. Potatoes Mas took the finest easily. You think this can stop me, Timur Mas? He roared. Timur Mas threw the needle. That is, she shouted. The needle transformed into a dense forest of soft bamboo spike. Potato ground in pain as the spike cut into his skin. But his way through. I will not give up, he growled. When the giant came closer once more, Timur Mas threw the sword. Let it scare you away, she yelled. The Sultan into a vast ocean it was freezing finally, but his immense strength allowed him to reach the other side. You cannot outrun me, Timur Mas, he groaned. Timur Mas threw the simpats behind her. This is too young for you, she cried. The person into a fresh, a boiling lake of mud. Rutaija thrashed and roared. No, help me, please, as he sank deeper and deeper into the bubbling mud. From that day forward, Timur Mas and Bersani lived happily together. Free from fear, the villagers admired Timur Mas' courage and celebrated her as a hero. Ladies and gentlemen, that's all my story. I hope my story will be useful for us. Thanks for your attention and goodbye. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.